Hi, welcome to the 7th lecture of this section. In this lecture, we will composite few UI graphics in our shot. So let's start. Go to Project panel and double click to open Import File Manager. Then import both of these UI images. I have attached these images with this lecture which you can download or you can use your own images. First of all, let's bring this image in timeline and drag and drop it to the bottom of screen in our preview. Let's pre-compose this layer and go to Effects Control, then right click, go to Distort and select Corner Pin. Now drag all of these 4 corner pins and place them to the corner of this monitor. Zoom in to adjust them accurately. Okay, these UI icons seem vertically stretched. Let's reduce vertical scale and move them little bit near the bottom edge of monitor. Now go to Project panel and bring chat image also in timeline and place it here. Then pre-compose this layer also and go to Effects Control panel, right click, go to Distort and apply corner pin effect. Now again adjust these corner pins to the corner of this monitor screen. You can zoom in to adjust them properly. Bring this bottom right corner pin here, pan toward bottom left corner and adjust this pin. Let's rescale and reduce the size of these buttons because they are looking very big. And adjust their position again and collapse this layer. Then make sure timeline is selected and click on this play button to see if we need any modification. At this frame, we can see buttons are showing on our hands instead of showing behind hands. Let's drag this layer and drop it under this layer and play video to see how it looks now. Okay, here if I move my playhead frame by frame, I can see our cameraman's hand is cropped and its edges are showing. We have to hide it, which we can do it by changing position of both of these selected layers. Let's play video again and see. Okay, much better. Now right click in timeline and go to New and click on Adjustment layer and place it in top of all layers. We can see grain in our shot, which we will fix now. Go to Effects Control panel, right click and go to Noise and Grain, click on Remove Grain. Bring this preview region here and dark area where we can see too much noise. Now we can see the difference. Let's increase the noise reduction value to 2 and passes to 4. Okay, let's see the difference again. Great. Noise is reduced now. Collapse this effect. Now create one more adjustment layer and apply Color LUT effect and choose color of your own choice. In previous lessons, I have already taught you how to do color grading with Color LUTs. I think colors are too intense. Let's reduce opacity to 50%. We can see the difference now. Colors are much better now. Let's create a new solid and click on Make Comp Size. Make sure color black is selected and hit OK. Then double click on rectangle tool and pick selection tool. Then hold Alt from keyboard and reduce scale of rectangle vertically. Then change mask type to subtract. Now we have these black bars which gives our shot a little bit of cinematic look. Now select background layer and go to Effects Control and apply Sharpen effect and change its value to 5. By clicking this icon multiple times, we can see the difference in our video. Let's try 20 for sharpen amount. Yes, that is much better. Now select this composition, bring playhead to the beginning of timeline and save your project. So for this lecture, this is it. In next lecture, we will export our shot in high resolution. So see you in next lecture.